Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system, the MMI system in this 2015 Audi S4. So from any screen you've got radio, media, telephone. If we click on telephone, you'll see there you've got telephone and you've got settings in that corner. Each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these buttons. So settings there is the bottom right hand side, click on settings. Make call using, you've got telephone settings, Bluetooth, I want Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth, click Bluetooth. You've then got Bluetooth on. If you're having trouble connecting to Bluetooth or pairing your phone, make sure there's on next to Bluetooth there. Make sure discoverability is on too. You've got Bluetooth audio player. If you can't stream music, if you can't connect, make sure Bluetooth audio player's on. Then you've got find Bluetooth devices, then you've got bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want to delete a mobile. So we select bonded Bluetooth devices, and you'll see there again there's my phone and John's phone. I want my phone, I'm going to select that. And then you've got delete Bluetooth device, hands-free connect or audio player connect. So I want to delete, so delete's highlighted, click on that. Do you really want to delete? Yeah, I've gone through 5 menus not to delete it. That's it gone.